Okay, thanks for looking. This is the Pioneer PL670 direct drive fully automatic turntable that's up on auction right now. This video is just to give you a quick demo and also to show you the cosmetic condition of the item. There are some scratches on the dust cover, some surface scratches. Nothing really major, some marks up on there too. Also too, one of the hinges is broken in the back. The dust cover will stay on, serves its purpose. And just also too to show you the front of it, it's actually a nice shape. The plinth is pretty good. And what I'm going to do too is just stop the video real quick, and I'm going to remove the dust cover just to make it a little bit easier and give you a quick demo. Okay, and we're back. I'm just going to hit the start switch just to show you that the automatic feature is working. And this has been serviced. I've lubricated everything, also adjusted the speed. They're all correct on 33 and 45 RPMs. I did also change the needle. This comes with an Audio-Technica Z100X cartridge, and that has a brand new needle on there. So that still has a lot of life left. Just going to also show you that the manual lift works. Click that again, sorry about that. I just hit the button. Drops down. This on 33, I'm just going to show you that the 45 is working. And also too, just to show you that the automatic return function is working correctly. Just going to move that. And the tone arm will drop, and the turntable will shut off. Okay, so there you have it. This is the Pioneer PL670 direct drive fully automatic turntable. Any questions? Feel free to contact me.